Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm reviewing the Yaber T2 outdoor projector, a gadget that's taken our outdoor movie nights and camping trips to the next level. I ordered mine from the link in the description, where I got the best price, and I recommend you do the same to grab any extra discount coupons available. Let me share why I absolutely love this little powerhouse of a projector. When I first set this projector up, I wasn't expecting such a big impact from such a compact device. Whether we're inside on a cozy movie night or outdoors under the stars, this projector consistently delivers an incredible viewing experience. The JBL speakers are a game changer. The sound is crisp, loud, and even works great for just playing music. Watching a movie with this while camping feels like bringing a theater to the great outdoors. What makes this projector stand out is how versatile and user-friendly it is. You can connect it to your phone, laptop, TV box, or even a USB drive. It has built-in autofocus and keystone adjustment, so the setup is incredibly simple. Plus, if you have a tripod, it attaches effortlessly for a stable and professional look. The sound deserves a special mention. Thanks to the JBL speakers, the audio quality is phenomenal, loud, clear, and balanced. Whether you're watching an action movie or listening to your favorite playlist, the sound experience is top-notch. And it's not just a projector. It doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, which is super handy. One of my favorite things about the Yaber T2 is the built-in battery. On a camping trip, we watched a full 2-hour movie without any power issues. Sure, the brightness dims a little in power-saving mode, but it's perfect for dark environments. It's light enough to carry around, and the handle makes it even more convenient. If you're thinking about upgrading your movie nights or taking your camping trips to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Yaber T2. I bought mine through the link in the description. And not only was it the best price I could find, but there were extra discount coupons available. Be sure to grab yours before they run out.